Wireless data transmission for JINGYAN DXL360S digital inclinometer. Turn on Bluetooth. Select Add Bluetooth device. Click Add device. Click Bluetooth. Click Show all devices. Select the number matching the one on the back of the instrument and connect. Click Done. Scroll down to find and open more Bluetooth settings. Click COM and select the outgoing port number. This is the correct port number. Open the Serial Port Assistant. Click the drop-down arrow next to the serial port number, then select the corresponding outgoing port number, baud rate 9600. Click Open to establish the connection.